But what I really enjoy most about working at Sykes Company and working with my clients is the fact that I can master and dedicate myself to the pharmacy industry, learn all I can about it, give that knowledge and that information to my clients and advise them on what we're seeing behind the counter, what we're seeing in the numbers, and what we're seeing overall as well. So really it's that knowledge and that expertise that I gain and then passing that on to my clients each and every day.
I just enjoy making them understand everything from very elementary level when they start to building those complexities into the system so that they can understand exactly what's going on in their store and how to maintain their wealth, hold on to what they've got versus giving it away to Uncle Sam at the end of each year.
I like to advise clients like I'm in their situation. To me, that's what works best. I like to think of if this was my business or if this was my money, what would I want to do? But at the same time, considering what the client actually wants to do, what their end goal is, and how we can help them get to that end goal.
Sometimes we're involved from the very beginning in a consulting manner when they're just thinking about purchasing a store or starting a store from the ground up. And then we can see them through that process, be a team member as they go through that process, working with their attorney, with their lender, to see them achieve that goal of owning the pharmacy. And so then it's also awesome to be involved in that process as, years down the road as they've owned the store and we see them not just own the store, but become profitable and be successful.
They know how to do pharmacy, they know how to fill scripts. That's what their passion is. I went to accounting school, I'm an accountant, that's what I like to do. So for us to be able to take that part of their business off their plate and be able to help them and know that they can trust us, that we've got their back, they can move forward and do their best at the pharmacy. Once we can see the whole picture, then we can start advising you on, is there new equipment you need? Is there new workflow solutions? And help you work through solutions to solve those problems.
We essentially are taking their accounting books and records, the tax returns, taking a look at see exactly which shape they're in, doing an assessment of that process. We do video calls with them, record that, push it back out to them and give them a complete overall assessment. We work very hard to make sure that they're taking the right steps month by month in that process and are making headway to healthcare improvement with respect to their books and tax issues and ultimately get them where they need to be.
I just like to see them succeed. So if they come in and they're losing money and they're trying to figure out why, what do I need to do, I like to see it when they turn around, where we have stepped in and say, hey, here's some things you can do. And to see that gradual turn from a loss into being profitable.
A lot of people ask me what I do. You say you're a CPA, you're an advisor, and they just assume you're doing tax returns all year. So it's nice to explain to people that what we do is we're advisors and counselors for pharmacies all over the country. And we're not talking about a Walgreens or a CVS. We're talking about your hometown pharmacies, people just like us all over the country that want to own their own business and live the American dream of owning their own store.
We're proud of the quality product that we produce and provide to our clients, doing things the way they should be done, integrity on that front, doing things that's in the best interest of the clients. And to me, that's something we take very seriously and strive to do each and every day for our clients.